Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today we're going to make apple pie spice. Let me bring you in a little closer and show you how I'm doing this.
So I got my spices lined up. I've got ground cinnamon. I've got nutmeg, whole nutmeg. Now you can use powdered nutmeg if you choose. Cardamom. I've got the whole cardamom. I'm going to grind up in my grinder, spice grinder. Ground cloves. Whole allspice. Again, you can use powder. And ground ginger. So let's get this going. So for the cinnamon, let's put in 4 tablespoons. And I've got a container that's going to be airtight that I'm going to store it in. For the ginger, we're going to put in 1 teaspoon. Ground cloves, half a teaspoon, a heaping half teaspoon of ground cloves. In my spice grinder, I've got cardamom, throw in a couple more. Allspice, whole allspice. And that's about a half a teaspoon. I'm going to add a couple more. There we go. And then that's what that looks like in there. And then I will grind that up. It all ground up. And I just had to do interverts of small, you know, to get it going. So I'm going to put that all in there. A teaspoon and a half of nutmeg, so I'm going to be grinding mine, so I'm thinking it's going to be about 3 and a half, you know, one's a 3/4 and the other 2 are half, so I'm going to start grading those. Okay, so I only used part of the 2 little halves, and I'm not going to put no more in because that's plenty, and these I'll save for my friend's got birds, so I'll put that in with the dehydrated bird food that I make for her, or I'm going to make up for her. So, alright, so now we're going to put the lid on and shake it up. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it smells amazing. So for the tile pitcher, I'm going to put some, I'm going to dump it all right there. And then I will take a picture of it, and that will be my tile pitcher. And that's how easy it is to make homemade apple pie spice. It smells amazing. Thank you for watching. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.